in here. There that.
Here's the head, it's down. Here's the heart.
See how fast it is, Judy, the heartbeat?
Yeah.
I measured the head. Okay, really normal.
It's perfect.
Yes, it's good. Good. Just better.
That's better. Yeah, thank you.
Then you have
Spine.
the spine. So we measure the, what do you call that?
Back.
Yeah, the buikomtrek.
Yeah.
Circumference.
Stomach.
Yeah.
Okay. 19.
En wat is dat er links naast ligt dan? Is dat een stuk van de moederkoek of zo?
Even.
What's a moederkoek?
Placenta.
Oh.
Hier bedoel je?
Nee, linksboven, dat ronde
Nee,
ding.
Dit, dat is een stuk
Ja.
van de arm af.
Ah ja, oké.
En dan de legs, hè? Yes, here.
Yeah, he's been kicking over on this side lately. Yeah, he's turned upside down. Yeah.
That's the leg.
He's so big now, he's hard to see on here. So he's long?
Yes, a little bit.
He's tall.
He's tall. So they make an estimation of the weight. 1100 grams is normal.
Okay.
That's average.
Okay.
That's 2.5 pounds.
Yeah,
So
that's,
the not fluid, the black is the fluid, and the other fluid is normal.
yeah.
So the placenta is also normal.
Still can't see his face, he's turned down.
Yeah, it's difficult to see the
He
face.
never wants us to see him.
Oh, he's got his arms wrapped around his face, yeah.
He's actually being pretty still for us at the moment.
Okay.
Oh, that was his face, and so was I.
A little bit, eh? Yes.
Yeah.